Hey everyone, this is my first ever tutorial on crocheting and I'm going to show you how to make a bikini top. First you're going to make a loop, crochet 13 chains. Once you reach 13, hold that spot, chain up 2 and half double crochet in that 13th chain. Once you half double crochet in that spot, just keep going all the way down till you reach the end of it. So once you reach the end, you're going to make a corner, or the point. You're going to half double crochet in that last spot twice. So 2 half double crochets and then chain 1 and then 2 more half double crochets. Every time you reach the point, you're going to do 2 half double crochets in that chain 1 space, chain 1, 2 half double crochets again, and turn your work and just keep working till the end. So once you do that, you're going to find that first hole and half double crochet. Once you start getting closer to where the excess yarn is, you can just weave it in and snip it at the end. Once you reach the end, you're going to half double crochet just as you've been doing before in that last spot and chain up 1 and turn your work. And you just keep doing the same thing you've been doing now until you've reached your desired bikini top size.